morning. I am Srireka, Department of Chemistry. On the previous sessions, I have discussed about how the polymers and the monomers can be classified in the formation of a types of thermoclast and the thermosetting material. So here now the nylon discussed about whether the polymers have been explained in the formation of a fiber materials. So mostly the fiber materials can be carried out in the formation of a monomer. So the monomer is the main sources with the repeating formation of a polymers. So next we are going to see about on the topics of the bakelite topics. So bakelite is nothing but it is also one type of the phenol plus resin products. So here the resin is the main sources which we are converting the monomer into a polymer. So resin is based on this coating of materials in the paints and varnishes material. So here the first monomer, the step 1 process we are converting as in the bakelite this phenol. So the monomer of a polymer group which is considered as in the Noblet product. So the Noblet can be explained by using in this forms of the terms of step 1 and the step 2 process. So the step 1 process we are using in this form, that is phenol. So phenol plus formaldehyde, in which the presence of an acid and alkali groups, it will react in the polymerization reaction to give an ortho para hydroxy methyl phenol. So here the ortho hydroxy methyl phenol, how we are converting in this, here the OH group which will react with this in this reaction and it forms in this ortho quotient with the phenol group. It is the first process. And from this next process, we are converting the again react with this in the formation of acid plus alkali groups. It can be converted as in the form of para quotients. So here ortho, para and meta. So these types of process how we are converting the ortho and the para meta quotients. So here the first step is converts with the phenol with the ortho hydroxy methyl phenol, and the second step again converting it with the para methyl hydroxy phenol. So here the step 1 which is be considered with this, the phenol is the phenolic resin and this formaldehyde which will react with this formation of OH group, and again the removal of OH group it will react with this formation of a ortho and para hydroxy methyl phenol. So this is the step 1 process, and again we have to convert to increases the resistant properties towards this ortho quotient. So again we are taking the two molecules of the ortho quotients. So ortho hydroxymethyl phenol, ortho hydroxymethyl phenol, we have to combine with this reaction and we have to react in this presence of benzyl peroxide as a catalyst in the presence of a polymerization reaction to give the product as an. Already we have discussed about how the carbon and the hydrogen structures fall in this with the 6 members string. So with this, the H group and the OH group, it will react with this removal of water molecules and it will connect with this line chain structure polymerization. So here the phenol with the CH3 group and again with this phenol with the CH3 group, this is a formation for the line chain polymerization reaction. So likewise, we are converting the product as in the form of monomer, that is called as a Noblet. So Noblet is the monomer which we are converting the polymer as in the form of bakelite. So how the products can be calculated by using in the form of a presence of benzyl peroxide as a catalyst. So the benzyl peroxide again it will react in the polymerization reaction with the removal of H2O molecule and it acts as a formation of the product, that is the monomer, it is called as a Noblet. So the Noblet is the main product which we have to combine with this react in the formation of a formaldehyde group. So the Noblet again react with this formaldehyde group under the polymerization reaction. It will forms as in the product like with the line chinking polymerization reaction and with the repetitions of the cross-linked chain polymerization reaction. It forms with the double bond structures with the cross-linking. It will react with OH group with this CH group and again with this CH group. It will combine with this reaction in the formation of the O phenol with the CH2 group and with this again the phenol with the OCH2 group, and it will remains with this the cross-linking chain polymerization. So the last step, the step 2, we are considering that the cross-linking chain polymerization reaction which is formed by this Noblet chloride with the presence of a formaldehyde reaction. It will react with this O gets CH2 and with the removal of CH2 and again with this O gets CH2 group with a cross-linking chain polymerization reaction, it forms a product as a dendrite. So the dendrite is a formation to the properties and it has many applications related to the coating material of paint and varnishes. Thank you.